Okay, this is possibly the third video I'm making today, because I'm really bored. I'm going to shoot myself for a third time. I shot myself in the stomach and the leg. This time, I'm going to shoot myself in the side here, where it really hurt to get shot at. Okay. Okay, well, I hope that's set up good, because I'm not doing this again. Hang on, my neighbor's here. Okay. I'm gonna regret this so bad. Snap. I'm gonna do it again. This is what I do. Ow! Oh, God. Oh, that didn't really hurt that bad. Got me to drop it. Okay, lad, I'm shooting more. Oh, my neck! Oh, my God. Somehow I thought that was a good idea. Oh, no, see. Okay. I left out one side of my neck, so putting another BB in here. I'm gonna shoot myself in the neck again. Oh! Oh my God. Okay, well, since I took that, and I shoot myself all the time, I'm gonna be making more videos now. Okay. You guys better like, subscribe, everything. I don't have a Twitter or Facebook, but if I ever do, I'll post comments and links in there. I don't know if you guys can see my neck or not. Boy, it hurts really bad. Okay. Everyone, stay Airsoft. Kind of a copy of FPS Russia. He's the best YouTube channel ever. Go check him out.